Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody guys, today we'll take a look at the Great British Pound. On the euro currency, as you can see, market is a bit lagging behind the gold market and the cable. It seems that the European Union traders do not believe that this historical decision has been made. I mean, in the recovery rescue fund, and finally the summit is over. It was extended for 2 more sessions, and only with the today's dawn they have made the final decision. And as you can see, on the euro currency market doesn't show yet the corresponding appreciation or reduction. But if you'll take a look, for example, on the gold market, you can see this rally and our target has hit. The same on the cable, you can see that market shows good appreciation to the upside. So if you remember, on the gold market we talked a lot about the background, and it was rather complicated to understand it correctly and to clearly understand what is going on in the market depending on what reaction market shows on the major levels. Just to remind you in 2 words, our major background and major pattern that we are following is the huge bullish engulfing pattern on the weekly. Actually, it's based on this ABC bottom pattern, or better to say, this ABCD pattern is in fact based on the engulfing, and it has major target. It stands at the OP at 132.70. When the market hits minor COP target, that's also, by the way, was the confluence resistance, was agreement resistance, rock hard resistance, we have anticipated that here should be pullback. But since this was the COP, we were worried about a bit deeper retracement that it should be, because on the COP usually market shows no retracement or minor retracement. Yes, we know that this is a strong level, but still for the perfect shape the retracement would end somewhere in this level. That should be more than enough to show the respect to the COP. But instead of that, by some different factors that stands right now at that moment in the United Kingdom, market extended the pullback and has reached the level that has become the crucial for the bullish context. If you remember our discussion here, we said, well guys, this is the ultimate level. Either market will reverse up here or the bullish context will be destroyed, because the next direct target was the taking out of the C point, and the taking out of the C point means the erasing of the ABCD pattern and the whole context, whole background that we have for the upper direction. That was a crucial moment. Besides, from the technical point of view, this was a confluence support, and you could imagine what means if market right after small target breaking the confluence major support to the downside. So it's difficult to combine the bullish context and all this stuff. Fortunately, reversal has happened. So market has formed a healthy bullish reversal candle. We talked about it in starting upper direction. Then we turn. It means that this swing is a continuation of that one. So we have the AB extension retracement after the major swing, minor continuation to the first target, retracement. The major retracement is over, so this already has happened after the COP target is touched. Now theoretically we should get next extension to the OP. The problem here on the way up, we have the confluence. It already has been tested, but still it's still valid, and maybe some respect here, some pullback here also could be. It's logical to suggest that maybe some kind of the harmonic retracement will be something of that sort. So my minor pullback here could happen, because beyond of this confluence, besides of this confluence, we have nothing more. We have no other resistance targets or something of that sort. That's why theoretically we should not get the pullback the same as here. Market should continue upward direction. Yes, minor pullback is possible, but it should not be so significant as here. So now it stands in upward direction. On the 4-hour time frame chart, on the first 4-hour time chart, previous talk we discussed this pattern ABC. We said it's probably will be some kind of the hand or something of that sort. In the last pullback, the 125 area was crucial because that was the neckline. Major upward action already has started, and of course we would not like to get the deep retracement again. That will be not good point for any bullish context. Hopefully market was able to hold again above the major level. It's monthly pivot and the neckline of this, well, not quite the head and shoulders, but some shape of the head and shoulders we could recognize here. Now take a look what's going on. Market has reached OP target of this ABC bottom. It stands 27.10, and also we are coming to monthly pivot resistance one. This will become very important indicator. Breaking of the monthly resistance tells you that we're standing indeed in an upward trend continuation. That brings more confidence that we are correct on our suggestion what this swing is. So, but still we are coming to the OP. We have also minor butterfly. Do not forget that we are entering in the weekly confidence resistance. So, pullback here is possible. I not exclude that here should be some pullback. Maybe it will be equal to harmonic swing. Maybe it will be the same as here it was, but maybe this is a bit too long. Well, in this case maybe it will be the same as here. Anyway, it should not be crucial. It should not be very significant, and definitely market should not erase all this upward action. It means that any retracement that will happen, it has to stay inside of this swing. No reversal swings down, no breaking of these supports, no drop below the 125 area. All this stuff will be negative. So retracement has to stay inside of the butterfly body. Besides, take a look at here. Market shows healthy acceleration right to the OP. It's definitely upward momentum exists. For the butterfly, it means that market definitely should proceed higher to the next butterfly targets 1618. For the ABCD pattern, it means that market has to proceed to the XOP. It's 2878. And this will be next destination point on the cable. So that being said, first we're expecting here some pullback, then theoretically upward continuation has to start. Speaking about the pullback, I see two major levels that you could consider. First of all, 2620, but well, it's first level to consider. Second is the confidence, 2535, 2560. So you can see here we also have some kind of the triangle cluster consolidation, and market should not pass through these levels. So it should not drop below, erase this triangle back again and drop below this area. So it means that this is two levels that we could accept as the normal retracement with no harm to major tendency. Just keep an eye on the patterns that will be formed around the OP. I don't know, maybe some kind of the hand and shoulders could be formed or something. I don't know what particular pattern will be formed here, how reaction could start. But if it will start, we focus on these two levels for position taking. Again, if you are not sure how to better take the position, just split your position and apply the scale in. Take some part here. If market drop low, take the major part here. At least if your market reverse here, you will get some position and you will be in the market with a good momentum. If you have the confidence and you better have more skills to recognize the potential dip of the retracement, then you of course could act as you wish. So maybe you could focus directly on the confidence. Anyway, that's just tactical moment. That makes no impact on the major idea. So our market shows normal bullish action, so it was able to hold the bullish context, bullish major scenario. If this indeed stands so, that should be extension to the OP. And in current moment, any retracement should not be too strong. It should stay inside of this most rising swing. If any of these conditions will be broken, it means that sentiment on the market is changing and something goes not quite bullish. So be careful and keep in mind these moments. That's really important.